VMAR Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So I'm looking at Vision Marine Technologies, and obviously it's 20% up. So wow. To be very frank and honest, not that surprised. Now, I've done 39,000 videos, spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and all that is documented on my YouTube channel. But specifically this, let me just mark down the lows. Yeah, let me just mark the supply as well. Don't you worry. There you go, we're here. So the likelihood for me to be bullish, again, this is just my 2 cents. The price must break above 750 at least for me, because this is just a fake out and I don't count fake outs. Now, how do I know this? Well, maybe because I've done 39,000 videos. It's not like where nobody knows exactly where the market is going to go. It's all probabilities, and I'm using the scientific method. I've tested this, common factors, analyzed it for freaking 40,000 videos. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free newsletter.